Happy Easter, Belinda. Happy Easter, Skylar. My chocolate cake is on the oven now. Happy Easter, girls. Happy Easter, Mom. Happy Easter, Mommy. I'm just waiting for my cake to finish baking so we can go to the Easter egg hunt. Ooh, yay! I'm so excited to see all my friends. Skylar, you still need to put your shoes on. I know, Mom. I'm just finishing watching this TV show. You have to be ready by the time the cake finishes baking. I will, Mom. Ding! Cake's ready, honey. Happy Easter, love. Happy Easter, love. I got it, honey. Thank you. Of course, you're welcome. Okay, let's go, girls. Okay, Mommy. Are we bringing Roycey? Yes. Yay, Roycey, you're coming with us. Happy Easter, girls. Happy Easter, Dad. Happy Easter, Daddy. Okay, girls, before we go, let's take a picture in front of the front door. Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Are we there yet? Almost there, Belinda. Are you ready for the Easter egg hunt?
Yes!
I'm ready.
Yes!
Woo! Okay, go! Found an egg. Woof, woof. Here's another egg. Hi, Miss Chicken. Have you seen more Easter eggs? Oh, I see that orange one. Thank you. Look, Mommy, I found a big yellow Easter egg. Good job, Belinda. I wonder what's inside. It's a surprise. Oh, yay, found another Easter egg on this bench. My bucket of Easter eggs is so heavy. Oh, here you go. I got you there, buddy. Oh, thank you. Look, Kelly, there's chocolate inside my Easter egg. Oh, that means there's chocolate inside my Easter egg, too. I love chocolate. Me, too. And look at these chocolate bunnies on our table. How many Easter eggs did you get, Skylar? I got 2 yellow eggs and a pink egg. What about you, Janet? I got a pink one, a yellow one, and a white one. Oh, that's so cool. What about you, Stacy? Ooh, I got 2 yellow Easter eggs as well, and a pink one. Here you go, girls. I brought you guys some stickers so you guys can decorate your Easter eggs. Thank you, Barbie. Thank you, Barbie. Thank you, Barbie. I put a little flower on my Easter egg. Ooh, that's so pretty. And I put a heart on mine. Cute. Mine has a sun and a rainbow. So pretty, Skylar. Kids, you can't just eat chocolate. Time for some real food. I just want to eat chocolate. Yeah, Kelly, time for some real food. Okay. Yummy hot dog. Here you go, Skylar. A hamburger for you. Thank you, Mom. What do you girls want? I want a sandwich, please. I want a hamburger, too. Okay, I'll bring it right over. Thank you. So yummy. Delicious. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. Here, bunny, 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 bunny. Here, bunny, bunny, bunny. I'll give you this carrot if you tell me where the Easter bunny's at. Yeah, bunnies, tell us where the Easter bunny is. We want more chocolate. We want more candy. Ooh, I want some more dessert. Hey, Kelly. Hi, Skylar. Do you guys have any candy over here? Yeah, there's lots of candy here. Ooh, I love these marshmallows. Mom, is it almost time for dessert? Yeah, it's time for dessert. Here, there's some ice cream. Yay. Do you want ice cream or do you want cake? I want ice cream. Okay, vanilla or chocolate? Vanilla, please. Okay, here you go. Thanks, Mommy. Look, Jordan, my big sister has ice cream. Let's go get some. Yeah, let's go get some. We'll try finding the Easter bunny later. Belinda, are you eating carrots? No, Mommy, this is for the Easter bunny. Oh, Belinda, I thought you were eating carrots. Mommy, I want ice cream. Me too. Yes, me too. Okay. There's vanilla and chocolate. I want vanilla. I want vanilla. And I want chocolate. There's also cake. Oh, okay. I want cake.
Happy Easter. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to watch more videos. Bye.